Hi guys, in today's video I am showing you how to add music to Instagram posts. The process is quite simple and easy. All you have to do is open your Instagram app. After it opens, you will see the plus sign. Tap on this one and select what you want to post from here. Like if you're going to post a photo, then choose an image. But if you want to post a video, select your video, like I will post a video. After selecting, you will see the option next on the top right. Tap on this one, and you will see the icon music. Tap on this one. You can also search your music by tapping on this search for your music. But I will choose a random one, like this one. Tap on this. The music has been edited on my video. On the last, tap on the option done. And tap on the option next. And from here, tap on the option share. You can see the name of the music on the top. It was a way by which you could add music to your Instagram posts.